Connect with Medorbits. Simplify your healthcare supply chain process. The face of modern manufacturing is changing as a result of innovation and creative ideas. Quality is never the result of chance. It is always the result of careful consideration. Manage multiple warehouses in the single cloud software. We know how to wrap better. Smart packing for your product. Control your entire supply chain from a single dashboard, with full visibility from order confirmation to delivery. Track multiple shipments from different dispatch locations to any area in the world. Fully tracked delivery. Picking, packing, labeling until final mile delivery in the supply chain management. Making the world a better place, one delivery at a time. End-to-end process in one software.